Hey boo hey, welcome back to my channel. Yay! For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Lay and this is the Lady Beauty channel where all we do is talk about all things beauty and mommy stuff. If you are new to my channel, I do have kids, so you will hear them, see them from time to time in my tutorials. Today we're going to be doing this, you know, I was about to say au naturel, but there is nothing natural. See, here goes my baby. There is nothing natural about this makeup look. There is nothing natural about wearing makeup, period. So I'm just going to say it is going to be a more realistic everyday makeup look. This is a makeup look that I think almost anybody can achieve for any occasion. Now, originally, I did this with no lashes. For most people, I assume that they won't wear lashes just because when most people are getting ready for work, if you get up early, if you're going to school, most people don't really want to take the time to do lashes. So originally, I did this without lashes, so I did not record myself putting the lashes on, but I do have some clips of me with just mascara. So you can achieve this look with just mascara. This is definitely a look that I believe is beginner friendly and everybody can do. See, I'm looking out for you. So before we get into the tutorial, remember y'all who are new to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then go ahead and hit that bell, because once you hit the bell, you'll be told every single time I upload. So hit the subscribe button and hit the bell. And then we can go ahead and move on to the next clip.
So starting with a clean face, I'm going to go ahead, grab my mirror and my brow pencil. This is the e.l.f. brow pencil. By the way, all of the products that I am using today will be on my website as well as in the description bar, so check that out. So I'm just lightly filling in my eyebrows with this pencil. It's about $2, so for your everyday looks, I would suggest something like this because when it's gone, you won't feel bad about it. So just remember to spoolie through your brows and use the eyebrow pencil. It's really late at night and everyone's sleeping, so that's why I'm talking so low. Anyways, if you have early morning, sometimes there are dark circles. I like to use the Maybelline Master Camo for this in the shade Apricot. This is my favorite color corrector. Now for the rest of my face, I'm going to go ahead and prime with my Too Faced Hangover RX primer. This is my favorite primer of all time. And I use my hands and a brush. I don't typically like to use my hands anymore. I've been more into brushes. This is my NYX HD translucent powder. I'm using this to set under my eyes where my color corrector is, just so that it doesn't move or stick to foundation. Now this is a Buxom lightweight foundation. It's supposed to be light to medium coverage, and I'm using a Mikasa sponge. It's their lemon drop sponge. And as you can see right here, I wasn't too fond of the color, although I'm not sure why, because it has worked before, but I just feel like I'm not this light. So I'm taking the Clinique, I believe this is like their concealer and foundation in one, and I'm just placing it in the major parts of my face and then continuing with that same foundation because I want a nice lightweight coverage. Now I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is a nice lightweight concealer. This concealer is not full coverage, it's more of a light to medium full coverage for those everyday looks. Using that same sponge, we're going to blend that out, and just to help with a little extra coverage, I'm using my LA Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan. Now using my Makeup Forever HD powder in the shade number 2. This is the yellow shade. I'm just setting my concealer so that everything stays in place. And for the rest of my face, I'm going back in with the NYX HD translucent powder and lightly setting the rest of my face. I'm going in with this Milani bronzer, and I'm going to take a angled brush. I believe this, I'm not even going to say the wrong name, I'll just have it in the description bar. And I'm just going to go ahead and bronze up my face. And I'm not going to contour, but I am going to contour my nose a little bit using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. And I'm just going to lightly dust that across my nose. Sorry, Callie was messing with the my tripod. Using a fluffy brush, it just helps blend out my nose contour. Now going back in with my bronzer and a Sigma E55 brush, I'm going to dust all of this bronzer over my eyelid and my crease area. Now I'm taking this, I believe this is like the Benefit liquid highlighter, and I'll have it, the name of it in the description bar, but I'm using this and my sponge to blend it out on the high points of my cheeks, just to kind of give my skin a little more of a glow since I'm not going to be doing eyeshadow. And you'll see, like by my nose, I messed up. There was extra foundation on the thing and I didn't know. But nothing a little blending wouldn't fix. Just make sure to be careful and not to disturb the rest of your foundation. So now I'm using this Tarte Amazonian Clay blush and this crown brush that I got like 4 or 5 years ago, but it's one of my favorite brushes. And I'm placing the blush on the apples of my cheeks, and if you all remember, this is one of my favorite highlighters, the Makeup Forever in shade number 2. I'm using that gold to place it on the high points of my cheeks, my nose, and my Cupid's bow. Now I'm going in with this Maybelline mascara. And in my tear duct area, we're going to take that gold and kind of try to make it pop. I always have a hard time right here. I feel like I don't get the pop that I want. And now I'm using this mauve shade by Bare Minerals. I'm using Earth Tone by NYX to line my lips. And then I'm just using this mauve pink, which the name again will be in the description bar, as well as on my website, leiybeauty.com. So make sure you all check that out. And at first I wasn't sure if I liked this color, but actually once I applied it on my entire lip, I kind of liked it, so I stuck to it. And that's pretty much it. You can set your face with whatever setting spray you want. I'm using the Glam Glow Setting spray, and that pretty much completes your look. So here's the look with just mascara, and if you want to be a daredevil, you can go ahead and apply lashes, and I will show a clip of what that looks like. But I hope you all enjoyed this. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, beauties, mwah, stay blessed.